Talk about how can you list your property on your Booking Banco map. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click your own profile down here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. When here list your property show for you, then you click on it, and here you click on list your property here, then it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open video here, then all you have to do now, so I'm going to change language here. So when I'm going to, so I have no language here to change, so all you have to do, you just click here on start now. It's going to show for you here start now, click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here and add here your uh, email. Then you click here on here, then you click on when you add here your email, just click here on down. So then it's going to take you to add your property on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.